Little Midwest, going to Burley Park, Labor Day 2022. I'm not going to shoot as much video this time as I did last time. I had a GoPro attached to my backpack strap, and I had 45 minutes of video. That was what was pared down. I had 2 hours of video, so I'm not doing that. I'm going to use my cell phone this time. It's a gloomy day. It's not supposed to rain, but it's all overcast. The last big flea market of the year, there is one more in October, so I don't know if it's going to be busy, if it's going to be dead. I have no clue. A lot of people go camping because this is the last hoorah, so hopefully it's not too busy. We're going to look for treasure. Little Midwest made a list, and then I'll shoot video in the flea market, and then I'll shoot our exit's coming up soon. Yay. I'll shoot a haul video when I get back to the homestead. There we go. My security towel.
I guarantee you one thing, I'll never see another one. I've only seen that. That is gorgeous. Deal day. No, I wouldn't. If you say something bad, I'll just go. What's the chair? Huh? The Shaw Walker chair? It came out of a GM plant. That came from a GM plant. Yep. $80 your best offer. That's it.
How much you asking for the oil lamp?
I'm asking 140.
That's nice.
That's the guy had all this stuff, but he only had one with a green base.
Yeah.
I wish I had a green chandelier thing.
Yeah. It's still nice.
It's extremely rare.
Yeah. Nice. You got quite the collection.
Oh,
Wait, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Is the hat rack thing for sale? You got scarves on it?
Yeah.
How much is that?
20. Or make me an offer. Yeah.
For butter dishes. The pickles. Oh yeah. What's with the elephant? Wow.
$30 each. I got 6.
Jenny loves
Online you go around 300 to 400 bucks. Off the bird. Awesome.
Would you take 10 for it?
just spectacular. And I'll find a place for your scarves.
I love glassware. I know. I was like radiating to come here.
Shaw Walker chair.
Hey, got some
Inside. My friend got it. You got it from the on the bottom of the seat.
Yes.
Oh, look at this fun card table.
$600 back.
Bridge.
It's a bridge. It's all bridge.
Someone turned a credit card in that was on the ground. Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
20 on it, or make me an offer. It's 1938.
I like the.
I know the colors are so pretty. That's your record on the second one.
No.
There's even an extra record. I looked online, it's got records.
Look at that thing.
You can give him a pet. For sure if you want.
I don't work here, but I will.
You got any of the tools that go in the ambles?
No, I don't. No Hardies.
Nope. Bummer.
The Hardies are hard to find right now.
They are.
You don't find no Hardies.
And you actually got to know what you're looking for when you do see one.
Yep, because they're different sizes. A lot of different sizes. Yeah. Which one?
How much are these? These three right here. The ones she was specifically.
Yeah, we could have bought that one.
I didn't recognize it because it was missing its pieces.
If you see things, just let me know.
It's got everything in it. $100, ma'am. Okay. $5 on that one, sir.
That's exactly the size.
One more minute.
Are you tired? Are you hungry?
Thank you.
You don't need one, do you? Okay.
$60. 25.
Goodbye.
He stole it.
You ain't gonna get it very often.
I can
could see the dogs having a fit about that. How about the elephant? Look at the turkey. I'm not carrying another one. You're on your own now.
All right, we're back at the homestead. This is my score. I did pretty good. I called this guy the real deal because he had real vintage items, real antiques, and he wanted it gone. $2, $1, 50 cents. He didn't care. So the books, I saw these are coloring books. And these were $1 a piece. And then this one, as you probably know, this one you can't sell on eBay, but I wanted to buy it just to see it and just as a keeper. Wanted 10 for this and $1 a piece for the coloring books, and I made a funny face. And he said, okay, I'll throw the coloring books in for free. So I got this for 10 and these for free. The one thing with vintage coloring books or activity books, just flip through and make sure that it's not used. But the vintage ones with no UPC, well, that does have a UPC. The vintage ones go for pretty good money if they've never been used before. That one's got no UPC on it, so that one's older. This one's probably mid 70s. This one's probably mid 60s. So going over here to the magazines. So this guy, I about died. He didn't have prices on anything. And this is an unopened model. And I said, how much for the model? Thinking he's gonna say 15, 20 bucks. And he said $2. So I said, yep, that's got no UPC on it either. So $2 for the model. Unopened, still sealed in the package. He also had magazines for 50 cents a piece. I didn't really want to break $1. And get a bunch of change, so I went to buy 2 magazines for $1. And as I flipped through the pile of magazines, I found this baby right here. If you don't know, George Magazine sells really, really good. I'm going to put comps on the screen as I'm talking about this stuff if I can find them. If I can't find sold comps, I'm going to show you asking prices. But this one definitely worth more than 50 cents. This one I thought was interesting for 50 cents, so I just grabbed it. For Harry Humstone, I got some jerky. So I got some kangaroo jerky. I'm going to mail this to Harry, and then this one I'm going to keep for myself. So when I do eventually go live, I'll do a taste testing on the kangaroo jerky. Coming over here, if you remember the Wizard of Oz, the Cowardly Lion threatened the Tin Man, and he said, I'm going to make a dime bank out of you. Well, this is a dime bank. It's tin, very cheaply made. It was only $2. Now, I didn't look up comps on anything except for one item, so I went with my gut with the, the coloring books, activity books, with the George Magazine, the model, just on instinct. I didn't have time to look anything up except for one item. So this dime bank I thought was pretty cool. It's in good condition for as old as it is. Got a little bit of something on there, rust or something, but dime bank. Then we go over here to the Royal Albert. I'm going to put pictures on the screen so you can see it better. This old lady brought her entire collection to the flea market of Royal Albert teacups, and she said she's downsizing and because she's running out of room. So I didn't look these up. They were $15 each, or 2 for $20. So I did 2 for $20, $10 each. So Harry Humstone knows if these are common. This one's a little older, this one's a little newer, but I took a chance on those. Then there was a nice elderly man that was selling estate sale leftovers for a woman that he knew. This is what he said, was a ballet teacher, and she had an estate sale, and this is the stuff that didn't sell. So I saw this sculpture and I thought it was pretty unique, pretty cool. They wanted $20 for it, and I couldn't find any markings, but I did find something down here on the corner. Of course, whoops, I'm not gonna be able to find it right now. Of course, I think it says TC, yeah, there it is, TMS. So I did look this up, and they sell for pretty good money. They're quite fragile, as you can see, but very nice. I offered him $15. There we go. So I offered him 15 bucks for this, and he said under one condition, if you take this one for free. I said, sure, I can glue this. So he gave me this for free because it's obviously busted, but it can be glued and it can be fixed. So these are keepers because they're just very interesting. I'll put the comps up on the screen. So yeah, I think I did pretty good. So that's the video, guys. I did get a lot of compliments on my t-shirt. Probably 5 or 6 people said, hey, I like your t-shirt. I said, hey, thanks.
What's your problem?
I didn't have any quick comebacks. I should have said something like, I like your haircut, or I like your straw hat, but I didn't. The Amish didn't say a word. I bought some Amish goodies, chocolate chip cookies. Those are so good. But we had a good time. It wasn't too hot. It started to rain, so we left. But that's it, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see ya.